Okay, so we got this situation, focal length. Now try to understand what is focal length. So you can say that length of or distance of any point, distance of any point on ellipse from focus. This is your focal length. Okay, you know that, like if you will talk about parabola, the distance of point on like parabola from focus, done. Hyperbola, same thing. Okay, so distance of any point from the focus is focal length. Okay, now suppose that we have this parabola, suppose. So you know that this is the xy axis, है ना? Now suppose that I'm talking about this point. Okay, so we have a point named as x1 y1. So we are interested in finding focal length. So you know that the distance, this point is what? AE comma 0, and this point is minus of AE comma 0. So I am interested in, like I'll go with S, I'll go with S dash and S. So I'm interested in this distance. Suppose it is P, and I'm interested in this distance. Okay. Now you know that it is directrix. X equals minus of A by E. You know that it is directrix. X equals A by E. Okay. Now try to recall this fact. Ki what is E? E is PS upon PM. Correct or wrong? So who is PS? PS is the focal length, no? Distance of point P from S. Okay. So right now we guys are interested in finding PS plus PS dash. So suppose that we have taken help of this thing. Okay, this directrix. So by taking reference of this directrix, we will try to calculate PS and PS dash. Okay, so can I say that, sir, PS is, like I'll go with PS first. Okay, so PS as E times PM, can I say this one, है ना? Now this distance we want. So can I say that, sir, write this distance and subtract this distance, and things are done. So what is this light? Okay, what is this thing? You know it is A by E, है ना? So can I say that E times A by E minus x1? Okay, till this part you guys are okay? Now, so this thing is done. Now look at this. This time I am interested in finding PS dash. Okay, so how we will find PS dash? So you know that PS dash is this focus. For this focus, this is the directrix. So I have to find E times this PM. E times PM dash. Okay, so can I say that, sir, it is this much plus this much? This means, can I say that E times, and you know that I'm talking about distance, so this distance will become positive. So A by E plus x1. Is it okay? So this way we have calculated PS and PS dash. Now we will add both the situations. So PS plus PS dash is equal to, in both the cases you have E. So I'll take common. So E is common. We will be left with A by E minus x1 plus A by E plus x1. Done. This thing done. So it is 2 times A by E. So it is E gone. So can I say it is 2A? So PS dash, PS plus PS dash will become 2 times A. So from now onwards, if I'll ask you what is focal length, you can say it is focal length of an ellipse is 2 times A if it is horizontal. If it is vertical, then you will go with 2 times B. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable, and this is also definition of an ellipse. Okay.